Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn company page. First, log in to your LinkedIn account and click the For Business icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Create a Company Page, then choose the Company option. Note, ensure your personal account has enough connections to meet LinkedIn's requirements. On the Setup page, enter your company name and customize your unique LinkedIn URL. Add your website link, then select your industry, organization size, and organization type. Upload your logo, and add a catchy tagline, maximum 120 characters. Check the verification box, hit Create Page, and you're live. Use the View as Member button to see the public version of your page. Or stay in the admin panel to keep optimizing your page.